what percent of your pay you'd have to pay for child support under the new guidelines?
Okay.
Well, they're still doing some work on the guidelines. I actually just attended a family judges seminar last week, so they're still working some issues out with the guidelines. Everything has not been completely finalized at this point. But in general, the child support guidelines, there's no exact percentage. What happens is they take your income, they take the other party's income, and they look at the combined income. And based upon your combined income, we then go to what's called the child support guidelines, which is basically the legislature telling you that if you and the mother of the child make this much money coming in the household, then this is how much, or even if you don't stay together, the idea is to take that person and the other parent. And it's important that I stress that, because I get asked so many times, well, he's married or she's married, can we include the other spouse income? No, you cannot. No, you cannot. So it's between the mom and the dad. Now, the court can consider the fact that they're not paying all their bills, as far as their ability to pay, things of that nature, but they take your income, the other person's income, combine it, apply it to what's called the guideline schedule, and come up with what's called a basic child support amount, and then add to it the cost of child care as well as the cost of insurance for that child, and come up with a figure. And so those percentages can vary per person depending on their income. So, basically, if I make $2,500, my child's father makes $2,500, that's $5,000, and they take my income, divide it into the combined income, and so that's 50%. And by the time you get to the end of the guidelines, whatever that number is, I will be responsible for 50%. He will be. So it just depends. It varies case by case.